Everyone's talking about the AI gold rush, but here's the truth. Most people are just watching it happen while a few smart ones are cashing in big. So let's talk about how you can actually make money using AI, starting today. First, AI freelancing. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Runway let you create content, graphics, or videos in minutes. Offer AI content creation, SEO writing, or automation services on Fiverr or Upwork. People are paying $50 to $500 per project, and you don't need to be a tech genius to start. Second, build a digital brand using AI. Start a faceless YouTube channel or blog. Use AI to script, voice, and edit videos. AI tools handle 80% of the work. All you do is post consistently. Within months, ad revenue, sponsors, and affiliate income can flow in. Third, AI-powered e-commerce. Use AI to generate product descriptions, design ads, and automate your Shopify or dropshipping store. Smart entrepreneurs are using AI marketing tools to scale faster than ever. Less work, more results. Fourth, AI consulting or automation services. Businesses are desperate to save time and money using AI. If you can help them integrate tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, or Notion AI, you can charge hundreds to thousands per client. This AI wave is just getting started, and like every gold rush, those who take action now will own the future. Don't just watch the AI revolution, profit from it.